Right, from the last video, I've hacked the corner right out there just to make it rideable, and I've had a little walk up there and done a little bit of repairing. I've laid my eyes on Legend, so I've had a little rest. A bit too early for a nap, but yeah. Right, let's see if we can get to Legend. This is all loose soil here that I've cut out, so I've got to kind of spin a channel through it. Oops, a bit more than I thought actually, but yeah, it is what it is. Finally, yeah, basically you just got to chew your way through it until you shift it out the way. The rain will do the rest. Oh, I need to compose myself after that. Not going to be fun because it's really bad now. Right, the final helter skelter, and then we lay eyes on the prize. Whew. Deep breath. My bloody back wheel trapped my foot against the corner. You can tell when I'm on a gradient because I can lift the front of the bike. You won't do it any other time. And then this little bit here, this bit was the bit that was scaring me about making a return, because this bit was gone. Thankfully someone's put a log in, and I've just been in here and done a bit of cutting and made it wider. And the same there, look. Just have to do a bit of repairing there. Oh my god, it's hot. Right, this next bit's scary. Can't get it. Maybe I can. Shit. I dropped the corner in hoping to get a better angle on that than this, and I haven't. I don't want my front wheel down in there. Oh, there's a tree down over there on the alternative, and oh yeah, my front wheel's gone in. I'm hitting this tree here. Plop. And ski. So I want the back wheel there. Deep breath. Right. kind of trees everywhere. I don't want them to be. I needed to have come through there. What if I do crest? Oops. Well, at least the bike's going to stay there for a minute. Well, I'll figure out what I'm going to do with this. If I'd gone that side of this tree, yeah, maybe if I go that side of the tree, maybe I'll get out of this hole now, anyway. Right, bring myself out. I'll find a hole. Yeah, I don't like that. There's nowhere to put your bloody feet here. He's up against the bank, isn't he? Oh, I've got that far to go. He's going out completely wrong. Completely the way I don't want it to go. I'm going back down now. There's not even anywhere to turn down there, to be honest. Oh, trees everywhere. Yeah, you've made a picture of this. Look, we're going home already. Oh dear. God, I can't put my left foot down so that I can use my right foot to lock off the back brake. So it looks like I've just done an unplanned turnaround. The other option was to go up through there, but I don't like that. Oh God. Well. Let's just go around the houses and turn the bike round, shall we? Am I getting old? Yeah, I am. Right. It does look alright, that left side, but never volunteer to get yourself right in the shit just because you can. I still don't like that. I'm in less of a position to turn around now. He says. Yeah, well, I'm kind of wasting time like you lot watching this, because this ain't very exciting, is it? But I need to weigh up my options here and make a good choice. Scratching noise, it's me with my finger hanging out my glove trying to turn the video off. Sorry about that. What I did end up doing was chewing my way through there, but you can't see because there's a tree in the way. Which brought me back to here, which is kind of where I was trying to get. We are officially on Legend. We're not going anywhere, but we're on it. I dropped the wrong side of that route. Yeah, we're on Legend, but we ain't going nowhere. at all, at all. This is more boring than the bit that I just didn't bother recording because I thought it would be boring. I'm not quite able to get the turn. There he is. That's the one. I'm on Legend! I'm on Legend! And I'm almost crashed on Legend.